Hi, this is Arjun. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I just wanted to do some cooking, just me, no big paparazzi, no guests, nothing. Whenever I get dressed up or put on makeup and wear jewelry, I feel like I should be cooking. So I wanted somebody to cook with me today, and I decided I'm going to let everybody that tunes into my channel be my guest with me today. So I'm getting the evening started with this Ruffino wine. It's a Pinot Grigio, and I love it. I really like this. This is good. It came out really good. And of course I chilled it. I had it in the freezer, and it's light, it's airy, it's not sweet. It's dry, but it's not too dry, and it doesn't have a bite or anything. This is good. That's a keeper. I'll do that again. This was good. Toast to the Ruffino. We always got to shout out to a good Pinot. Okay, so I took my jewelry and everything off. I lit my candles. And now I'm ready. I'm in the mood. And Parker's in the other room. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to mess with this charcuterie board. And what I really do is I light my candles, open a bottle of wine, turn on some music, and just kind of relax. I want to feel a vibe. I want to give good spirits and good energy into my whole board experience. You know, this is like bigger than charcuterie, bigger than cheese boards, bigger than crudités to me. This is about bringing people together. Like, everybody gets so excited when they see it, and I've been putting different things on it, finding new meats and cheeses, and I've just been having a ball with it, and it's really been blessing people. And so I feel like that's what it's all about. Food is about bringing people together. It's about blessing people. It's about, you know, it's about finding a place where we could be our most authentic selves, where we could just be ourselves, you know? Parker agrees. So sharing different foods and eats with people is just like super cool for me. You know, it does it for me. And I think it'll do it for you too if you get into it, because people have to eat. So people love to eat. So when you feed people, they appreciate it because it's something they really need, you know? So this is my little corner that I have in the house so that I can like do my little thing and mess around and YouTube and all that great stuff. Okay, so I'm going to put deviled eggs on here too. So we're gonna do some deviled eggs, and I'm gonna see if I can angle the camera better so that you'll probably just hear me and see my hands, but I'm here drinking wine, making it happen. And so I'm gonna re-angle the camera so you can kind of see how I put it all together.